In martial arts, relaxation plays a significant role alongside strength and speed. It's not just about delivering powerful blows, but also about being calm and focused. Let's delve into why relaxation matters in martial arts and how it benefits practitioners. When you're tense, your movements become stiff and slow. On the contrary, being relaxed enables you to move smoothly and swiftly. Think of a flexible tree swaying in the wind. It adapts effortlessly, conserving energy and maximizing its power. Tension disrupts proper technique execution. By staying relaxed, practitioners can execute techniques with precision. Whether it's a punch, kick, or block, relaxation fosters maintaining correct form, enhancing accuracy and effectiveness. Relaxation cultivates a clear mind. In martial arts, mental focus is paramount. When you're calm, you can better anticipate your opponent's moves and respond strategically. This mental clarity enables swift decision-making and adaptability during combat. Excessive tension increases the risk of injury. When muscles are tight, they're more susceptible to strains and tears. Conversely, relaxed muscles are more flexible and resilient, reducing the likelihood of injury during training and sparring sessions. Martial arts teaches more than physical skills, it instills emotional discipline. Relaxation helps practitioners manage their emotions, staying composed under pressure. By maintaining a calm demeanor, martial artists can make rational decisions and avoid reacting impulsively. In conclusion, relaxation is a fundamental aspect of martial arts training. It enhances efficiency of movement, improves technique, fosters focus, prevents injuries, and promotes emotional control. Embracing relaxation not only elevates physical performance, but also nurtures mental resilience, essential for mastering the art of combat.